Guys, there is a new update on CapCut Mobile. In this video, I will show you all the new features and how we can use them. So let's get started. Now I am on my screen. Press on a top right corner arrow and you will see the new and amazing features. So now click on photo editor option and select a photo you want to edit. In early, CapCut is only known about its video editing feature, but now it have photo editing feature also. So let's get started. In this we can change the size of photo, add a text bar, and also change or edit your whole text by just changing the format, size or color of text. Now click on shape option so you can get many shapes from here. You can also change the style. A sticker option that contain a huge amount of stickers. The add photo and adjustment option, which is the main part of editing. Now I am going to edit my photo by using these tools. Now here, the difference between simple picture and editing power. If you don't want to edit your picture in this way, you can also use filter option to add them on your photo. Background option to change the background of your photo. Now, I am giving you an overview of auto cut option. Simply click on it, select a photo or video. I am going to select a photo. In this category, you will get a huge amount of automatic templates that can be implemented on your photo and change it into a magical template. You must have to try these templates to make amazing video. Now up next, I am showing you another new feature which is called product photo. Select a product you need to be edit. Now select a background, one of them, and boom, there you can change a background of photo in very easy way. This AI technique adjusts your product photo automatically and now you can easily advertise it. The background finishing is so crazy. You must have to try this. So guys, this is the first 3 most crazy features of CapCut, and I will show you the next features in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for updates and must like and comment for motivation.